of October 2025. This is my 680th reading as a home free divine feminine. The Taurus moon sextiles both Jupiter in the afternoon and Saturn at night. Keep your finger on the pulse of relationships and stay grounded. At the bottom of the deck, with the Four of Wands left, it means recently we weren't exactly in the mood for celebrating. The Five of Wands is some kind of inner or external struggle towards truth. The Daughter of Discs left may be doubting the ability to experience new inspiration, feel a little down. The challenge with Temperance is to alchemize mixed energies into balance and peace. Stay blessed, collective.